Hello everyone, I am Soumya this side and please subscribe me guys if you have not already subscribed. Your one subscription means a lot to me and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make video on service agent customization with prompt builder. So I am into craft an effective prompt template. Okay, so I'm completing this and this is a part of Agentblazer Legend. So if you're not checked out my previous videos, then I would like you to go there and check it out because I want you to complete this in series. So let's start. Now they are saying that what we have to do that first of all we have to turn on Einstein. Okay, so if you have not already turned on Einstein, then we have to create a prompt template here. And what kind of prompt template are we creating? The flex one. Okay, because it is the one which provides the maximum flexibility, right? And it also has a hands-on above. So I would really request you, I already completed this hands-on, and this is how it looks like. It has complaint kind of structure. So like it is used for customer complaints, the guest complaints. Okay, so it has divided the complaints into tier 2, tier 1, like that, and then compensation and everything is coming. So I would really advise guys, just go and just do this practical. It is really good, it is very good, and just go and do it on your own. Okay, so for now I am going to create this new flex template which is pre-arrival guest name. So let's go. First of all, as for all the we'll go to the prompt builder. Okay, and then we'll go to new prompt template, and here we'll say flex one, and this is the name and API name. Okay, so description, they are not given any description, and in this they are saying contact, then object, and object is also contact. So let's add this. Are they asking us to add any other resource? No. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is the prompt template. So I'm going to copy this again. Okay, now let's click on next, and here is the space. I'm going to copy this. Now this is the contact first name, right? So what I will do is, I'll do insert resource. Here I'll search for contact, and then I'll search for the first name. So this is the contact first name, and then again here we have first name. Okay, so same way we are going to do insert resource, then we'll do contact, and then we will do the first name. Okay, now here it is the check-in date. Okay, so I will do insert resource, and then again contact, and then this is check-in date. Okay, so next check-in date. So these all are the three placeholders which I will do. Okay, so here they're saying for contact first name. Okay, and then next check-in date. Okay, and then select, we what we have to do, we have to select open AI GPT-4 Omni. Okay, so let's go to the model, and it is already by default OpenAI GPT-4 only, Omni Mini. Okay, so I think we don't need anything. Now we are going to activate it, so I'll save it. Okay, and we can activate it. After saving, we can activate it. Okay, so this is activated. This was very very easy. It was just a normal flex template. Guys, I would really again suggest you to do the above one. This was really good. Okay, so now I am going to check this challenge. Okay, let's see if they are asking us to do something else. Let's see. Mm, and please use this time to subscribe me, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for so much love on my videos, and please subscribe me. Okay, so it is okay. Now this is done. I got 500 points, right? And now I'll do this bring your prompt to life with agent actions in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.